In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer in Miro. Whether you're facilitating brainstorming sessions, running workshops, or managing a team meeting, having a timer can be a valuable tool to keep things on track and time efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Miro boards. If you haven't already done so, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Miro website. Once you're on the website, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. It's free to start and quite user-friendly. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on your Miro dashboard where all your boards are displayed. From here, the next step is to open the specific board where you want to add a timer. Simply click on the board thumbnail and it will open up in your browser window. If you're new to Miro, navigating to your boards can be done through the Boards section in the main menu. Now that your board is open, let's focus on the task at hand, adding a timer. Look towards the top right-hand corner of your board. Here you'll notice an icon that represents the facilitation tools and reactions. This is where Miro's collaborative functions are tucked away, including a timer. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of available tools. In this menu, locate and select the Timer option. This tool is designed to help you keep track of time and manage meetings or sessions effectively. It's particularly useful when you have several tasks and want to allocate specific time slots for each. A little side note here for those of you on a free plan. To utilize the timer feature, you might find that Miro requires an upgrade to a paid plan. This is because the timer is part of the Premium Facilitation Toolkit, which offers a host of additional features to enhance your Miro experience. So, if you're finding the timer feature essential for your projects, consider reviewing Miro's subscription options to determine which plan fits your needs best. To summarize, setting up a timer in Miro involves opening your board, clicking on the facilitation tools and reactions icon, and then selecting the timer option. It's a simple process that significantly aids in efficient time management during your collaborative work sessions. If you're already a paid plan subscriber, you're all set. Otherwise, explore those subscription options if you need this tool regularly, and that's all there is to it. Within just a few easy steps, you can effectively manage time during your Miro sessions. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Stay organized and make the most out of your collaborative efforts with Miro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.